Project is based in the south of Kilkenny, in the southeast of Ireland, in a town called Piltown and its neighbouring village Fiddown. It's called Better Broadband for our community. This community are outside the national plans for expanded broadband. They have decided to take charge of their own digital future, and they've installed their own broadband fibre network in the village. What's special about it is that the community will own this broadband system as well as install it. They are doing it themselves. They are actually physically digging and putting the wires up on poles. When it's completed, they will take the profits from that, which they can invest in other projects in the community. So it will be a community enterprise. It will mean that they not only will they have high quality broadband they wouldn't otherwise have, they will also have it at a marginal price because they will charge less than they would from a normal commercial retailer, and they'll be able to reinvest the money. It'll be kept in the local loop. So there's three benefits to it: higher quality standard of service, less cost, and any profits will go back into the community benefit. We funded the community with EAFRD funds through the LEADER program. Without those funds, the project would not have happened. It will be very valuable for the rural area. They will be able to keep pace with anyone else. They will be able to attract new businesses. They'll be able to run the schools properly, make sure the students are able to use IT properly. They'll be able to run health services properly. Really, overall, it means that they are a community that people will look to. They'll become a place that people want to live, people want to set up businesses.